Hey guys, I'm going to give you a brief overview of StoryFlint's all-in-one Notion workspace for writers, the Storyteller OS. I'm so excited to share the Storyteller OS with you. I've spent months planning it, building it, fine-tuning it, testing it, and creating tutorials for it. This is StoryFlint's flagship Notion template, the ultimate workspace to build and organize your storytelling. So let's get into this. I'm going to go over the three main parts of the OS. Your projects, your knowledge base, and your reflection journal. So first, your writing projects are going to be stored in this database here. Whenever you want to create a new writing project, you click here, and a new project is generated into your workspace. Whether you're writing a series of books or a standalone novel, you can use this project template to build out, organize, and write your story. You can add books to your writing project where you're given guides to build the premise, the outline, and a schedule to get it done. For each project, a set of these dashboards is generated to help you with different aspects of your story, from world building, plot organization, research, theme building, and a lot more. The Getting Work Done dashboard keeps you productive with your writing process and helps you know where you stand with this project's books, chapters, and scenes. The World Building Bible dashboard helps you organize all the different aspects of this project's fictional world, from its characters to locations to flora, fauna, history, and other elements. The series plot outline displays the overall outline of all the scenes in your project in order. The character work dashboard is a place to build characters and also see how different characters you build would interact with each other based on the personality attributes you give them. And the theme builder guide is to help you build themes, motifs, and symbolism you'll use throughout your project. The other 6 dashboards help you with different workflows for creating and keeping your story details connected, organized, and seeing them from different points of view. Down here, you'll see all the databases that power this one project. All your ideas and details for every aspect of your writing project reside in these databases that are interconnected in various ways, so everything about your story is consistent and you know what is going on with everything. All of your characters, chapters, scenes, locations come with their own page template auto-generated as you build out the different parts of your story. Alright, let's go back to the main page of the workspace. With projects, you'll also get a knowledge base to organize what you've learned from articles, videos, and courses into bite-sized pieces of information that you can refer back to and use for progressing through your projects. It's a great way to store and organize all the writing knowledge and techniques you've learned, and allows you to refer back to your knowledge easily like a second brain. And below that is a built-in reflection journal, which is a great way to reflect on your work regularly. You can use the journal entry template to think back over what you've accomplished, what barriers you've experienced, and what lessons you learned this week to add to your knowledge base even more. With the Storyteller OS, you'll be able to track every detail of your story and finally reach storytelling enlightenment. Learn more about the Storyteller OS at storyflint.com.